Today I'll be showing you around the model year 21 AMG GLS 63. World premiere today here in Los Angeles at the auto show. So let's take a look.
Perfect.
So this is our V8, 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine, 603 horsepower, 627 pound-feet of torque. So it's a very powerful beast.
It is really.
The S-Class of our SUVs. It is the GLS. So I'll walk you around. This model is Diseño Diamond White Metallic, and we have 23-inch black monoblock wheels, which are new for this model. As you can see, this model has great body lines. We have active LED and adaptive high beam assist tail lamps and headlamps. You can see the double exhaust pipes around the back that still let off that AMG sound.
And this is a 3-row seat.
And yes, the GLS comes standard with a 7-seater, but you can also configure it for the first time to have captain's chairs, so it can hold 6 seats with the space in between the middle. It just offers a little, a bit more options for the first time here in our GLS family.
Can we see a little bit of interior?
Of course we can. So, the interior is completely redesigned. Here you see it has the high-end Burmester surround sound system. We have the 12.3-inch digital cockpit as well as the widescreen center console.
Oh, this is the widest screen that I noticed in these cars today. So it's pretty big, probably a lot of information you can get here anytime.
It's housed under one glass panel. You can see here we have the new generation of AMG Performance steering wheel. This one is in Napa leather. And I'll come around to the This model also shows a new feature for AMG. So standard, we have our AMG drive unit, which are steering wheel buttons that are customizable. So you can control everything from comfort, sport plus driving modes to your exhaust notes. All of that can be controlled with the touch of a button here on the steering wheel.
Perfect.
The interior is exclusive Napa leather. And that's standard for the GLS 63. And the trim we see is the AMG carbon fiber trim.
Okay,
so you can see that the trim lines the front dash, and the upper dash is coated in Napa leather, which is also standard for this model.
And I can see that the sunroof basically goes all the way to the trunk.
Back. So our panel roof is standard for this model also, and it covers both the front seats and the rear seats as well. As you can see, this is a 7-seater configuration. So the middle seat is the bench seats, and then, like I mentioned earlier, the optional seats, you can have captain's chairs.
Perfect.
And of course, keeping in line with our AMG family is the awesome AMG specific radiator grille.
Easily noticeable in a rear-view mirror of any other car.
Very intimidating.
Intimidating.
What we love to do.
And what is the market price for this beautiful car?
So the market price hasn't been announced yet for this model, but you can find it in stores in your dealerships early to mid 2020.